fast carry a knife, I'll show you how it works. You got a knife sharpen?
I don't need this one sharpened, but I got an old buck knife I need to sharpen.
I'll sharpen it up, got it on you.
I don't have the buck knife on me.
This off, I can get that sharpener on that is. Feel it before I do it. Watch this. Kershaw knife. Squeeze them in there tight, draw through. Keep the pressure on it, start bringing the back of the knife up as you pull through. That rod will adjust to your edge instead of taking metal off. It squeezes them edges together. And feel your knife. Does that feel better? Way better. I do these today, 20 bucks a piece, 3 of them for 50. I'll guarantee too it'll work on any serrated knife you can find. Roll them in the middle, it will not hurt them at all. Chatters through the teeth, top to bottom. Take any one you like. 5 videos on the website shows you more. Website's on all the handles.
Thank you.
Thank you. You guys got your lunch money? Got a pocket knife? I'll show you how good they work, y'all.
They do different things or just color?
It's just color preference, whatever color you like. A little oil on the rods help too, any oil works.
Can you take it on the plane?
All right.
Oil on it?
A little bit of oil,
Yes,
yeah.
you can.
Always helps.
Okay, I'll just...
Thank you, I appreciate it. There's videos online if you need them.
Yes! Hey man, these are great. I trust them on my Mannix, and they work great. Work in the field anytime, man. Perfect.
Thank you, appreciate that.
Got one of these last year and it works great. I'm here for another one.
All right, thank you.
Good.
Pretty much every adult uses a knife of some sort, whether you're cooking, hunting, fishing, or working. Therefore, pretty much every adult could use the Block Knife Sharpener, the hottest selling handheld knife sharpener in America. Again, these sharpeners take little to no steel off your blade and deliver razor-sharp results. The Block Knife Sharpener is great for fillet knives, kitchen knives, pocket knives, everyday work tools, and more. A dull blade's actually more dangerous than one that's sharp. Stay safe with the Block Knife Sharpener. See demonstrations or order online, blocksharpener.net. Lifetime guarantee and free shipping within 24 hours.